And now we're on our way to McDonald's. This is life in Germany. Oh shit! Oh, fuck! I thought it was it.
Oh my god, the sword thingy. Oh my god. Okay. Then we have to.
Wait, Debbie, are you okay?
Oh.
Can you just don't fall? Oh fuck! Oh my god, it's like a thing of thorns. Shit! Oh fuck! What if I just like fell down? Oh fuck! Oh shit! Okay, you know, this is my bright idea.